Are you tired of smartphone cameras that can't keep up? What if I told you a new phone is on the horizon that could seriously make your DSLR jealous? Leaks are exploding right now about the Nokia Magic Max 5G, a device that sounds almost too good to be true, with a 200 megapixel camera and the most powerful mobile processor ever made. This phone promises to be a true flagship killer. So get ready, because we're covering its mind-blowing features, price, and the all-important launch date. Let's get started. The mind-blowing features of the Nokia Magic Max 5G. Display. First up, let's talk about the display. This isn't just any screen, we're looking at a 6.82-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. It's not just big and beautiful, it's fast. With a 144 Hz refresh rate, scrolling and gaming will feel buttery smooth. And for security, you get an in-display fingerprint sensor and a durable IP69 rating. This is a screen built for both media consumption and hardcore gaming. Camera setup. Now, for the star of the show, the camera. This phone is rumored to be a photography beast with a triple camera setup. The main sensor, a massive 200 megapixels. Imagine the detail in those photos. But that's not all. You'll also get a 50 megapixel lens and a 12 megapixel lens, giving you the flexibility to capture stunning ultra-wide shots and detailed portraits. And for all you selfie lovers, the 50 megapixel front camera is rumored to deliver crisp, clear photos every time. Processor. Under the hood, this phone is a pure powerhouse. It's expected to run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor, which is designed for incredible performance and efficiency. Paired with the latest Android 16 operating system, this phone will be lightning fast, handling anything you throw at it without breaking a sweat. Battery and charging. And what about the battery? Nokia isn't holding back here. The leaks suggest a massive 8500 mAh battery with support for 125-watt fast charging. That means you can go from 0 to full in just minutes, not hours. Long-lasting battery and lightning-fast charging, what more could you ask for? Price and launch date. So, the burning questions on everyone's mind: how much does this thing cost, and when can we get our hands on it? According to the leaks, the Nokia Magic Max is expected to be priced around $500, making it a serious contender in the mid-range market. And while there's no official date yet, rumors suggest it could be hitting shelves in just a few months.